What to eat to gain weight and build muscle fast. Tired of being called skinny, fed up with looking weak no matter how much you eat. If gaining weight or muscle feels impossible for you, this video is exactly what you need. Most people think bulking up is easy, but the truth is, for some bodies, gaining weight can be just as hard as losing it. The good news? If you fuel your body with the right foods, real muscle growth is absolutely possible. Today, I'll break down 5 powerful foods that can help you gain weight, build muscle, and move closer to your dream physique faster than you think. Let's get into it. 1. Milk. The classic muscle builder at the top of the list is milk, and for good reason. This isn't new advice, but it works. Milk delivers a powerful combination of high-quality protein, calcium, and essential nutrients that support muscle repair and growth. It contains both fast and slow-digesting proteins, making it ideal for recovery. Drink a glass or 2 after your workout, or include it between meals and let consistency do the rest. 2. Homemade protein smoothie. As if you want a fast, calorie-dense option, protein smoothies are your best friend. But here's the key: make them at home. Store-bought shakes are often packed with sugar and low on real nutrition. Homemade smoothies, on the other hand, let you control everything: protein, calories, and healthy fats. Blend milk, fruit, nut butter, oats, or yogurt, and you've got a powerful muscle-fueling drink in minutes. Simple, effective, delicious. 3. Red meat. Muscle growth powerhouse. Red meat earns its spot for a reason. It's rich in creatine, a natural compound that supports strength and muscle size. It also contains leucine, an essential amino acid that directly triggers muscle protein synthesis. And if your goal is weight gain, red meat helps there too, thanks to its higher calorie and fat content compared to lean meats. Eat it smartly, and it can significantly boost both muscle and mass. 4. Nuts and nut butters. Small food, big calories. Nuts may look small, but they're calorie bombs. Just a couple of handfuls per day can easily add hundreds of calories without filling you up too much. Almonds, for example, provide a strong mix of protein and healthy fats in a tiny serving. Nut butters work just as well. Add 100% natural peanut or almond butter to smoothies, toast, or snacks for an effortless calorie boost. 5. Rice. Easy carbs for easy gains. Last but not least, rice. Rice is affordable, easy to digest, and loaded with carbohydrates your body needs for energy and growth. It pairs perfectly with protein and healthy fats, making it ideal for bulking meals. Just be mindful of variety and preparation, and balance it with quality protein for best results. Final thoughts: gaining weight and muscle isn't about eating more junk, it's about eating smarter. Focus on nutrient-dense foods, stay consistent, and give your body time to respond.
Choose the foods that work for you, fuel your workouts properly, and stay patient. Your transformation starts with what's on your plate.